everyone, welcome back to Animation. As I'm back with a new concept today. Before going into that, what we have discussed in my previous video, we are discussing about the square roots, right? So I'm back with a new concept, the same square roots. So in the last video, we have discussed about square root of the numbers, how to find out the sum or a subtraction, how the problems are going to be occur in a competitive exams and all, right? Now, with the same content, it is quite difficult, like you people will feel like it is difficult. Today's concept is about square root of a infinite series. So the word itself like infinite series. You feel right? But no, I'm here to help you out how to do that. So before going into the content, I just want to remind you people that watch the video till the end. Then only you are going to know the full content, whatever I am explaining, right? See, first whatever the video I am doing, I'll be explaining about the general method, right? The trick will be coming later. So watch the video till the end. Then only you are going to know the trick clearly. If you watch the video till the end, then only it will be clear for you people. Then as you people are supporting me a lot, so thank you so much for that, and even forward and share with your friends and all, and do like, share and subscribe and watch the video till the end. Then only you are going to get to the what I'll say means, then only you are going to get a clear understanding about the concept. Here, so shall we start our session today? So yeah, today's our session is about square root of infinite series. So today we are going to discuss about square root of infinite series. So first I'll give you one example on the board. See that. Then can you give an answer for it or not? You people say me. Okay. Now root over 2, 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 so on infinity. Can you say the answer for this? By seeing the number itself, you people are going to say this later on. After listening to the problem and all, later on, by seeing this itself, you will be saying the answer. Sure. Without using any pen or a pencil, anything you are not going to use, but you are going to say the answer for this. So first, listen how to do, first of all, about how to find mathematically, how you are going to find step-by-step procedures. I'll explain you. Why? Because in competitive exam, direct answer we need it. But according to the board, like intermediate first and second year, we'll be having all this, right? So for that reason, you should know step-by-step procedure also. So it will be useful for both the competitive examination and like in a normal board examination, step-by-step procedures we have to write, right? There also we are going to use that. So follow the steps what I am writing on the board. Clear? With that, you can do it for any other number too, if you know the steps clearly. Clear? So step 1, first of all, we have to equate this number with x. So I am taking the square root with x. Root 2 x is equals to root 2, root 2, root 2, so on infinity. Okay? This is what my step 1. Okay? Then my step 2, I am going to square both the sides. What is my step 2? I am going to squaring on both the sides. Okay. Now what happens? X becomes x square. Now root 2, root 2, root 2, so on infinity whole square. So first root is going to be get cancelled here, right? Then what will be the answer here? X square is equals to 2 times of root over 2, 2, so on. So from as a first step, what is the value of x here? Root over 2, so on infinity, right? Then I can take this value as x. Yes, right? So then x square is equals to 2x. Then x square is equals to 2x. So what happens? I'm going to cut one x with another one. So here you can, don't get confused. X square means what? X into x into 2x. X is gets cancelled, then x is equals to 2. What is our answer here? 2. What is the value for root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2, so on infinity is what? 2. It just 2. So by seeing these number 2 itself, we can say the answer 2. But these steps are important because in the normal like board examination, we should write it in step-by-step procedure, right? So the answer will be, you have to write in a step-by-step. So remember in the steps method, right? Step 1, equate the question with the x. Then squaring on the both sides. And then x is equals to 2x. After that, what is step 3? Whatever the root value is there, that is equated with x as we know. So 2x. Then cancel one x, you are going to get the solution x is equals to 2. Now, see, my second question is root over 3, root over 3, root over 3, so on infinity. So by seeing this, what is the solution for this? By seeing the number itself, we are going to say that the answer is what? The answer is 3. Not only 3, we can take any other number like root over 11, 11, 11, so on infinity. Now for solution for this is what? Can you please say me what is the solution for this? So if you know the solution about this, please comment to me. I'll be waiting for your comment. And so I think that you have clearly understand the concept what I wanted to explain. If you are unable to understand the concept, go through to the video again and again. Then also if you are having any doubts, then you can comment me. I'm here to clearly explain you again about the concept. See here, how easy, right? Is it easy? But by seeing the number, we feel like it is so difficult. But it's not that difficult. So, remember, don't forget like all the time we will be very fast in doing examination. We wanted to do it fast, right? At the time. Here, all are in multiplication. That you remember. There are no symbols in the middle. They are in a product. They are multiplied. No plus, no minus. Clear? That you remember. When there is no plus and minus only, you should write the answer directly by the number, whatever number is there. If there is a plus and if there is a minus, the concept will be different. That I am going to tell you in my next video. So if you have clearly understood the concept, please do share with your friends and like and subscribe. Thank you.